Hello WooCommerce users. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate missing pages from your WooCommerce setup. When you first set up WooCommerce, you will have some of these pages: checkout, cart, blog, shop, and for whatever reasons, if a page is missing, let's delete the cart and checkout as an example, and let's move them to the trash. And to recreate these pages, head over to WooCommerce, go to status, head over to tools. Here you can scroll down to where it says right here, create default WooCommerce pages. Then simply click create pages, and all missing WooCommerce pages successfully installed. Okay, let's head back to our pages. And as you can see, cart and checkout pages are restored. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WooCommerce tips and tricks and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy selling.